7. Get out of bed at 11. Look out the window and smell the air. Take a long shower, then brush my hair. Think about times when rhymes will reach more communication through funky beats or some sort of well that a world can breed on, a style to feed on and thrive. Living in a dream and it seems like a lifetime. Never growing old, just progressing through the pipeline. Getting sort of weary, so my head rests on my kitchen table as I'm eating up my breakfast. In a midday day, summer days intoxicate in strange ways. Shadows move, yo, the time is late. Gotta run, gotta press a new plate. Relay rhymes a function in the booth. My early morning dream is coming to truth. It's all the new sound, the future's new sound. So I flash back to meet the new ground.
3 letters to describe the form of the music. Verse is first and feel it better cause you did. Nevertheless, we know when no one is half there. Others fell off, now it's time we get in there. Go, go, beatnik, when I speak this. Persecution to the wrong, so come along and share a ride over time, it's the future. Plant yourself, don't let the rhythm uproot ya. Speaking figurative, so I gotta live right by night and okay by day. Colors coincide with the inside, and meanwhile outside the dead reside. So it's back to the wall. Fall, come and lead again down to earth and send a message in a bottle. Full throttle I go with the curse. Worse to sell out than fall off though. Yo, medication for the mind is the metal rhyme. Where we relax the tracks, you have a seat and feel the full effect of the future. But wait for the sign in the mind when the ends meet.
Around in my days of rhythm, I live to love and I love to be driven by temptation, by fascination, and all the stuff you learn by trying. Inspirational slamming tracks. Dave was brave, but yo, Flash is back to pick out the certain webs to be spun and cradle my thoughts as we jam on the one. Riding on the notes a drum can strike up and skipping the hike up to be at the end line. Percussion and all that defines the purpose, so know that it's worth it and take your time. See the good seed and see the bad seed, then proceed, get what you need. But don't be hasty and don't be feisty, cause feistiness can make you bleed. Then you won't make it to the end.
Speaking on a new concept, live emotion from the living, giving you to the rhythm. Level of hype provides a step. In the future lies a breakthrough of much you can relate to indeed. Though we just signed a sheet, trust remains a chains held captive by the brain, yet much relies upon the speech. Words can be denied, but the feeling's still inside. Surprisingly enough, except when designated, the function leads away because they're all related. So champion the scriptic flow, follow cryptic, go read the book again and find out how we kicked it. But leave opinions at the door, cause answer can be fatal if you're down to beatnik or psychedelic relic of the ages. Hit for a tip, drop down in the pages.
And you stop.